With this accelerated math goal, we're going to continue working on some geometry concepts. We're told here that a square is inscribed in a circle as shown in the diagram. To be inscribed means to have the edges touching the outside. The radius of the circle is 6 centimeters. What is the area? What is the area of the shaded region? So again, we're looking for the area of this outside portion. Let's figure out how to do that. So the first thing we should do is kind of take in stock what we have. We have a circle and we have a square. Now we know the formula for the area of a circle. The formula for the area of a circle is a equal pi times the radius squared. And we know that the radius is this distance from here to the outside, right? That's good. Now we also know some things about the radius. We know that it is half the diameter. So if I was to start and draw a line across here like this, my diameter would be 12. Then if we were to take that line and if we were to just move it around the outside of the circle a little bit so that it becomes that line. Well, something interesting has just happened. We have split our square into two equal triangles. And we know that the length from this side to this side of this triangle, the base of that triangle, if you will, is 12. And to find the area of a triangle, we need to have the base and the height and divide it by 2, or you may have seen it as 1/2 base times height. We need to take the base, which we have as 12, times the height of the triangle and divide it by 2. But how do we get the height? Well, let's look for just a second. And we know that the distance of the radius from the center to the outside is 6 centimeters. Well, this height is also that same distance, so that this would have to be 6 centimeters. So we now have the base and the height of our triangle. We can find that. It's 72, and we're going to divide that by 2, and that's going to give us 36. So the area of our triangle, of our one triangle, is 36. Now, we actually have two triangles, though, right? We have a triangle over here, and we have a triangle over here. So what we've got to do is multiply that triangle, its area, by 2. And that's going to give us 12, 6, 72, right? 72. That's going to be the area of our rectangle, our square. And then we need to just find the area of the circle. The area of the circle, we said, was pi r squared. And we know that the radius is 6, so we'll take that 6 and we'll square it, and we'll multiply it by pi. That's going to give us 36 pi. Now all that's left for us to do is to subtract the area of the square from the circle. So we said that the area of the circle was 36 pi, and we said that the area of the square, right, the area of the square was 72. 36 pi minus 72. And we were told that the value of pi that we're going to use is 3.14 right up there. So 36 times 3.14 is 113.04, and then we'll subtract 72 from that, right? 72 from that. And when we type that into our calculator, we get 41.04.